The trip has come to an end. Plastic, like 6-8 foot picnic table, flew off and was now in the road sliding at 70 miles an hour. Let me show you what happened. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Got a big ride today. Going down to Staunton, Virginia. Then we're gonna hit, I believe it's US 250. Over to West Virginia. We're gonna head up to Elkins, and then I think it's called Route 33. We're gonna head back east towards Harrisonburg. So a lot of twisties through the mountains. Supposed to be a good day. Stay tuned. All right, well, the trip has come to an end. So I was on I-64 West, just west of Charlottesville, and doing about 70. I was in the left lane, There was a car next to me in the right lane, just slightly ahead of me. And then there was a white SUV in front of that car. And in front of the white car, there was no other traffic, just wide open. So we're cruising, I got the cruise control set, and all of a sudden I see the car next to me slam on the brakes. And for a split second, I'm wondering, well, why the hell are they slamming on the brakes? There's nothing going on. And I didn't see the white car slam on their brakes. So it took a few seconds to figure out what was going on. Well, turns out what had happened was there's a plastic, like 6-8 foot picnic table, one of the ones that you get from like Walmart, something like that. It was strapped to the top of that white SUV that flew off and was now in the road sliding at 70 miles an hour. And when I first noticed it, it was closed. You know, they're the collapsible ones. It was closed and it was just sliding flat on the ground. It was probably, I would say, almost directly in the middle of both lanes. So I swerved over to the left side of my lane. So the left side of the left lane. Well, all of a sudden the table opens up and now it's 8 feet long and it is off the ground in the air, tumbling through the air. And keep in mind, we're doing at this point probably 60, 70. There was no course correction at that point. So all of a sudden, I braced for impact, honest to goodness. I thought it was gonna hit the fairing or hit my head, and I thought I was going down. And all of a sudden, I felt it hit the right side of the bike. Luckily, I didn't go down. I stayed up and pulled over to the shoulder. Let me show you what happened. So luckily the only damage to the bike was that it hit the right side highway peg and broke that off. That was metal and that broke right off. I guess that's what happens when you know, a table hits you doing 60, 70 miles an hour. So I pulled over to the shoulder just to check the bike out, and then I noticed that my leg started hurting. So let me show you the leg. So I don't know how well you can see it, but right here is a cut in my pants. So I didn't notice that until later, but my leg was hurting. I pull my pants up and I can start to see this liquid underneath my under layer that's got my armor in it. And lo and behold, there's this huge gash. I don't know how well you can see that. Hopefully it's focused for you. So I got this huge gash on my leg, and you know, at first it didn't hurt. The adrenaline's going, but now it's starting to hurt a little bit. And pulled over at this gas station just off of US 250. I'm not really sure where it is, but the good news is that I'm okay. No other cars got in any accidents, no other motorcycles. Luckily, they pulled over on the shoulder with me. We exchanged information. They were super apologetic. Thank God that that's all that happened. I mean, the good Lord was with me. Seriously, it could have been so much worse than that. Unfortunately though, so I am wearing my Bohn Body Armor, and one, my pants leg got cut open. So I got to see how bad that cut is. But the, check out the review. First of all, check out the review that I did for them. But so the leg armor has got a knee, CE level 2 knee armor that also extends down into the shin pretty far. Of course, the table hit me like literally an inch below. Got a lot of bikes going by. There's a bike rally down the street today. Anyways, unfortunately the table hit me like an inch below where the armor is, and if it would have hit the armor, one, it would have been a good story for Bohn Body Armor, because it would have seen how well that impact test is. But yeah, unfortunately it hit me below the armor. So I pulled over at this gas station. I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up. I think I'm gonna need stitches, we'll see. But yeah, everything happens for a reason, and you know, unfortunately that happened, but there's probably a bigger reason why I didn't go ride through the twisties in the mountains today. So ride safe, everybody. Keep the rubber side down, and like and subscribe. Check out all the videos on Brandon's bikes. All right, till next time.